stage this soon-to-be Sweet 16 young woman who has just blossomed from dancer to writer to poet, photographer,
MC.
DJ, a MC that's cold, y'all. And now she's making her debut tonight as a host. Y'all give it up for Journey.
Woo, 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 woo. All right.
Who's coming up?
Man, so this brother right here is a true testament of why I show up every day, right? Because he's a king, he's a black man, he's out here for these youth. He shows up every week with love, power, and his own authentic voice in person. And I want you to give it up for this MC, this educator, this little bro. Solar
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper fly.
Hey! Can we make some more noise for the lovely Jacinda and Jaquanda and Miss Lady Soul?